Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So this is the first video of the year and I'm super excited to start making more videos for you guys. I'm super excited. So as you can see, I already have my makeup on, and so before I get started with the makeup tutorial, this is actually a collaboration with the UK brand called Simple. And so Simple just launched in Sweden and it's super exciting. It will be available in stores like ICA, Coop and Apotea, etc. It's super easy to get a hand on and the products are really cheap. It costs like about 40 to 90 crowns, which is like below the £10 range of money. Simple is the #1 facial skincare brand in the UK and I'm so excited to have all the products. I'm not sure, this is probably not all the products, but I got a handful of products that I'm super excited to try out. And so Simple has like a wide range from makeup removal products to moisturizing products to cleansers, so that is great. Like everything can fit every skin kind of thing. And these products are perfect for like winter and like my winter skin has been awful this year, so I'm so excited to start using these products. But yeah, so before we get started with this makeup tutorial, I'm going to remove all the things and show you how to use a few of these products. So yeah, I'm not going to use all of the products because I don't need to use all the products, but I'm going to use a few different ones. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna use these makeup removing wipes. I'm gonna use the ones for the eyes and this one for the skin. So this is the eye makeup remover pads, removes waterproof mascara and is kind to skin. And the other one is the micellar cleansing wipes. It cleanses and instantly hydrates, so I really need this one. I'm gonna start by pulling off these lashes. And so I'm gonna use these wipes. I'm not sure if I should get the contacts out first or after. Should probably get them out first. So these are shaped like this, and it has like one texture side with like bumps on it and one not texture side. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the texture side. It sounds like it would take most of the makeup off. And so I'm just going like this, get everything off. I only needed one pad. That doesn't happen often. Now that like most of the makeup is gone, I'm switching to the not textured side to be a bit kinder to my skin below my eyes. That was so easy. Okay, so now that most of the eye makeup is off, I'm going to use the micellar, is that how you say it? Micellar cleansing wipes, and just use it all over my face to get the rest off. It feels good that this it says that it moisturizes instantly, and I really need that because after I wear makeup, my skin always gets super dry once I wash it off. Wow, that comes off so easy. Okay, so next I'm just going to use some of this micellar cleansing water to finish everything off. Because sometimes like there can be some spots of makeup left, but I'm going to use this one to make sure I get everything off. And I have some pads somewhere. Alright, so all the makeup is completely gone. That was probably like the fastest makeup removal thing I've ever done. Now I'm just going to use this replenishing rich moisturizer, which is a moisturizer that gives 12 hours of moisturization. That was really hard to say. It doesn't really smell anything, which is nice, because perfume, yeah, it doesn't like, some products doesn't have any perfumes in them, which is really good, especially if you have really dry skin. And that's it. My skin feels super soft and moisturized and it feels so smooth. And yeah, it's a simple product for you, and they are now out in Sweden. I'm so excited to use these right now in the winter, and yeah, I'm done. So let's jump into the tutorial. So, like always, all the products are listed in the description box, as well as all the info about Simple can be found there. I'm going for a really pale but not completely white base, and so for this look I'm not straight off copying the movie version of Black Swan, but I'm just inspired by it, giving it my own touch. I'm using this white mix-in foundation from NYX to get that pale finish, and then I'm just putting on some translucent powder to fix it. I'm always contouring after I've applied a white base to bring back some natural shapes, but sometimes I like to change around my own shape a little bit more. So I'm just using gray eyeshadow for this, and I contour all the places I want more contouring. So like everywhere, my shadows naturally fall, as you can see. And I'm so sorry about the mirror situation. I don't have a great setup where I live at the moment, and my eyesight gets really bad when wearing contact lenses, so I literally need to have the mirror up in my face. Also, I added lots of pink blush on my cheeks as well as my nose. I don't know why, I just felt like it, and I really liked that old Marie Antoinette porcelain doll look, so I went with that. Next, I'm using the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I use that purple highlighter to highlight first. Then I go in with the lightest colored one on top with my fingertips for a more intensity and glow. And I just apply this like everywhere. Cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, that normal stuff. Okay, so for the eyes, I was thinking of doing a long smoky cat eye, but also very uneven and patchy, if you get what I mean. It sounds weird, but I really like the idea and went with it. So first I'm adding black on my entire eyelid with primer first, and then I'm shading the crease in like a drag like cat eye crease style, and I also faded down the sides of my nose. And I just like improvise until I'm happy with it, and I ended up happy with it, so yeah, good. I didn't have any kinds of red and black contacts at home similar to the ones in the Black Swan movie, so instead I used these really light gray ones that I got from TTDI, which makes my natural gray even lighter, and it looks really cool with the dark eye makeup. And also, I dyed my roots darker, and I'm not sure what to do with my side cut, if I should grow it out or just grow it out a little longer. What do you guys think? I don't care if anyone hates it. Some people love to take their time telling me that, but personally, I love it. But like, you know, I love to change around with my style, and I honestly think I'm getting bored of it. But I love it. I don't know what to do. And so when I'm happy with the shading and everything, I'm going in with black liquid liner, and I start out with a long wing, and then I do some random shapes here and there. I use like different liquid liners with different tips to get different results. And the shapes of the entire eye look is obviously inspired by the shape of wings that the Black Swan has in the movie on her eyes. The one with Natalie Portman, you know what I mean? Yeah, good. So I'm doing everything in that kind of motion. Then I use white liquid liner, and I put white in different directions similar to the movie, obviously. I'm taking this Diamond Crusher shade from Line Crime, and I'm patting on some of the product as a topper on the center of my eyelids. This gives me like this purpley, shimmery topper for my eyelids. And next I apply some dramatic false lashes and mascara on top. I also add black to my waterline. And then lastly, to the eye makeup, I'm adding black dots, which has been my favorite makeup thing the past year, and it still is. So I'm putting lots and lots of random dots around the eye makeup, and this eyeliner dotting tool from NYX is just amazing, and I love it, and thank you for coming up with it, because honestly the dots I used to make before were horrible. And for my eyebrows, I'm just using gray and black eyeshadows. I haven't been using shadows for my eyebrows in forever, and I forgot how much I love using it. I'm definitely ditching the pencil for a while because I just love working with shadows. And then for my lips, I'm using the Diamond Crusher on my lips, and I decided not to have anything else underneath. I was thinking of wearing black lipstick, but I chose not to because I didn't want the complete look to be too much. And so here it is. This is the finished look. How do you guys like it? I decided to go with lots of black colors and makeup products that usually takes lots of effort to remove, to show you the power of these makeup remover products and skincare from Simple. And yeah, this is the finished look. I love it so much. I hope you do too, and thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I see you in my next video.